Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Slojo, and in this video I'm going to help you build your kingdom by telling you 5 practical things that you can do to look more confident in your Twitch streams. And hey, maybe you're here and confidence doesn't come easily. Maybe being confident isn't something that is natural to you, and sometimes you kind of have to pull it out of yourself. Well, in this video, these 5 things are going to help you to look more confident, and we know that when you look more confident, you'll begin to feel more confident, you'll get that boost, and you'll be able to connect with your viewers even more. So the first thing that's going to make you look more confident is simply looking into the camera. It's so easy while we're streaming to just kind of forget that the camera is there and just get into the zone. You know, you're playing your game, you're concentrating, you focus, and then every now and then you're glancing at the chat, responding to these questions, and it's so easy to forget to take a moment and pause and look into the camera. But this can be a very big mistake that's going to be costing you a lot of viewers and people following you and even subscribing. You see, because Twitch is an amazing community that's built around connection and engagement. You know, the people that support you are the people that feel like they're noticed by you, and a lot of the time by just simply answering a question directly into the camera, it like sparks something within that viewer that's like, hey, this viewer has noticed me, this viewer has paid attention to me, you know what, I'm going to support this person. And just as a practical example, I'm going to answer a question by looking away from the camera and then answer it again looking at the camera, just to kind of show you what I mean by this. So let's just pretend that the question is, what do you think about the game that you're currently playing? So let's pretend it's a horror game, right? So let's say now I'm busy streaming, I'm playing, and someone asks me, what do you think about the game? Are you enjoying it? And now I'm going to look to my left because I have a screen on this side, and I'm going to read the question, what do you think about the game? And then I'm going to answer by simply saying, I think it's a really great game. It's not as scary as I thought it would be, but you know, I'm really enjoying it, and I think it's a game that most of you guys will enjoy. Now let's try that again by simply looking into the camera and seeing how it changes the dynamic of it. Charlie, thank you so much for your question of what do I think about this game, and you know, I'm really beginning to enjoy this game. At first it wasn't as scary as I thought it would be, but there's moments where the jump scares take me by surprise. But you know what, I think this is a game that you would enjoy, and I'd recommend it to you. Do you see the difference between looking away from the camera to looking into the camera? It's kind of like I'm looking into your soul. But nonetheless, Twitch is all about engagement and community, and a lot of time you're going to build community by connecting with that viewer, and take it one viewer at a time. If you can win one viewer, you can win 100 viewers. If you can win 100 viewers, you can win 1,000 viewers. But hey, start with the one, keep the one in mind, connect with them, engage with them, and it will make all the difference. And hey, just by simply looking into the camera, you're going to look more confident, like you're in control and that this is your stream. And a little bit of pro tip is you don't need to always stare into the camera. Sometimes you can just glance, but make sure to make that eye contact, like I'm watching you, boo. And hey guys, final question of the day. What's the most embarrassing thing that's happened to you on your stream that made you feel a little bit more embarrassed than usual? The second practical tip is something that I don't see done often, and a lot of times it's because when we are gaming, when we are playing, we tend to be very serious. And the second practical thing that you can do to look more confident is this: smile more. Can I just quickly say, a smile goes a long way. A smile can change a person's day, it can change a person's attitude, it can change how a person is feeling, especially towards you as the streamer. You know, there's so many times where I'll be walking through a mall and there's people, I know now people are wearing masks so you can't really see their face, but previous to coronavirus, you know, there'd be someone and they looked so mad and so angry, especially at the gym. People get so angry there. They're like, I'm just gonna lift this weight, leave me alone. But you know what? Simply just smiling at them, the entire face changes. They light up. It's like something awakens inside them. So imagine how effective that would be in your Twitch streams to just simply look into the camera and just smile. And let me give you a practical example. Let's say someone just said, hey, says hello in the stream. You know, sometimes you'll be streaming and someone's like, hey, smiley face. And then let's just pretend that this person's name's DJ. So let's say DJ says, hey. So I go, hey DJ, welcome to the stream. It's so nice to have you here. You see, by just simply smiling, it is more approachable. And the whole key to becoming successful on Twitch, based off the successful Twitch streamers, is a lot of them are very approachable. They smile a lot, and I think now you'll notice it more that I've pointed it out. And especially since we are pretty much communicators while streaming, A smile goes a long way. It opens up a person's door. It opens up a person's heart to be willing to engage, to be willing to talk to you, and to be willing to take the time to actually support your stream now. The third practical thing that you can do is to simply laugh more. Now, I'm not talking about a fake laugh of no, that's annoying. You're going to get slapped by your viewers through the screen. They're going to come at you, bro. But a simple laugh or chuckle by engaging goes a long way. Sometimes you'd be surprised how funny the things are that happen in your comment section or while you're streaming, and a simple laugh goes a long way. I mean, let me give you a practical example. Let's say someone says something to me that's engaging and it's actually really funny, like, hey, you from South Africa? I heard you can ride lions there. It's like, no, we can't ride lions there. We don't ride lions here, just giraffes. Do you see the difference it makes versus, no, we don't do that here. We don't ride lions, we just ride giraffes. What I project, you will reciprocate. So when I am laughing, when I'm smiling, when I'm having a good time, the viewer is going to have a good time. They're going to receive that from you. You are essentially giving of yourself to your viewer. So make sure that you firstly remember to look into the camera, to smile more, be more engaging, and then to every now and then just have a good laugh with your viewers. I understand it differs from game to game. Maybe you're playing a bit of a scary game, but even then, when you get a jump scare and your comment section laughs at you because it's funny, laugh with them. They're not, engage with them, be a part of them, be one with them. Hey guys, just a bit of a reminder that I stream on Mondays and Thursdays at 7 p.m. GMT +2. Make sure to come hang out, ask any questions that you might have. Would love to have you there. It wouldn't be the same without you. And hey, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe, and the little notification bell. So I'm trying to do a little notification so that you don't miss any future content. The fourth practical tip that's going to make you look more confident on camera is by simply relaxing. So what do I mean by relaxing? I think a lot of the time when we're streaming, we're very stiff. We got our shoulders pressed forward and we're engaged and we're like Soldier 76 ready for battle. We're just so ready to get in there, get the stream going, get the stream done. And how was the stream? It was good, But a lot of the successful streams that I enjoy watching are ones that where the streamer is very relaxed. Their shoulders are back. They're back in their chair. They're enjoying the game that they're playing. They're playing something that they love. And I think something that can really affect this, making you more stiff, is by forcing yourself to play games that you don't enjoy just to get more viewers. I understand there's times where you're going to need to get more viewers by playing the games that aren't overly saturated. But there's also times where you must play something that you enjoy, where you can relax, you can kick back a bit, and you can just simply connect with your viewers. The fifth and final tip is going to tie into the fourth one, and that is this: do something you enjoy. Do something you enjoy. So that means playing something that you enjoy or doing an activity that you enjoy. Hey, you don't always have to play a game. Sometimes I've seen where they're starting to show themselves cooking the dinners, and it's quite engaging, it's quite interactive, it's super relaxing. They're enjoying themselves, the viewers are enjoying themselves, and you get to do something that you enjoy. Hey, maybe you enjoy video editing, maybe you enjoy designing. Why not stream that? Something you enjoy, because when you're doing that kind of thing, it sets aside mental capacity to engage with your viewers so much more. So you freed up more to now engage with the comment section. You're not focused on dying. You're not focused on your teammates getting mad at you. You're not focused on an enemy coming at you from behind. No, now you can go one-on-one with each viewer, with each comment, while doing something that you enjoy. Hey, maybe you even just enjoy chatting, so going to just chat a bit more, relax, look into the camera more, smile more, laugh with your viewers more, and I can tell you now, you're going to look so confident in your Twitch streams. So maybe you're dying inside and you're like, no, but Joel, that means I need a camera and I've been streaming without a camera. Well, hey, if you're getting started out, I do have a tutorial which I will link up here on how to set up your cell phone for free, whether Android or iPhone, to use as a web camera, so that you can now look into a camera, smile into this camera, and engage with your viewers through the camera. Because hey, people are there for you. They want you, they want to meet you, they want to know you, and they want to be known by you. And hey, since you've got that confidence, why not take it to the next level and improve that audio quality? Maybe you're stuck using your headset microphone while streaming. Why not invest in a USB microphone? I have a video linked over here which will kind of show you why you should be upgrading from a headset to a USB microphone. That's going to also boost your confidence because you're going to be sounding good. When you sound good and you rewatch those streams, you're going to be like, damn son, I sound like that. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.